Okay, guys. Hi, it's me, Sick again, and I'm really sorry if our content is cringe. I just want to reach 100 subscribers, and if you guys can, please do it. I'll be super happy if I reach 100 subs. So, let's start, and I hope you like it. Yap 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 yep. Oh, hey guys, can you stop yapping? Because there's a new thing happening at the park or whatever. Yep. What park? Yeah, what the park are you doing, bro? You guys don't know what I'm talking about. Just come with me, okay? Fine, let's go. Boogadee's coming! And here we are. Oh, this is the park. What am I doing? Are those minions? We want minions. You know that hurts. I'm sorry, I'm just a big fan. Oh, it's what's despicable me. Yeah, this is what I was showing you. The minions are just as vegetables or fruits or whatever. And now they're here so they can show everyone who comes. Now, I think we're the first cats to come here, so that's great. Yeah. I don't want to be here. I hate minions. I hate when Pip 6 puts it on full volume, bro. I'm not doing to be here. I'm going back. Okay, I'm sorry that doggy doesn't like y'all, but I like it. Y'all. I don't even know your guys' names. Baby, I know you can speak, bro. Yeah, I'm not that good actor. Well, guys, ouch. Dude, why are you showing this to us? What the hell? I didn't want to. I hate little cats, bro. Don't do it. It's one of her things or whatever. Bro, are you kidding me? No, get the murder here. Okay. Better. Oh my god. He literally watches all the Despicable Me movies. Wait, he does? Yeah, he does. Well. Good call. I know. I hope we were the first guys. Can we take a photo real quick? Yup. Sure you can. Thank you! My toy jump scare. I'm sorry for doing it now. I'm kicked out. Ah! Dude, why? You know what? I'm going back. I should have gone here. I hate Despicable Me. Should have never brought them here. Wait, no, come back. Ugh. Great. Ugh. Like, it's really crazy how no one's coming here. Guys, they all left. Ugh. No one's coming to us and no one's about us. We should just go back. Yeah, because no one's coming, so let's go back home. Me too. Pepper.